Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to show you a very good weight loss combination that you need to try, and I bet you can lose 5 kg in a week if you follow it completely. And make sure you watch till the end because the last secret is the bomb. Okay, so in this video you are going to need some fresh turmeric. Please don't use the powder. We are going to use the fresh turmeric, ginger. If you don't know turmeric is what I'm showing you right now. Okay, it's very similar to ginger, but it's not ginger. Ginger is what is on the plate. Yes, this is ginger and this is turmeric. So in this video we are going to be needing some ginger, some turmeric, fresh turmeric, some lemon. If you have lime, you can add lime to it, and then let's get back to business. Okay. So you need about 3 lemons, some turmeric. Okay, let's wash it. Make sure you wash it properly with running water. We want it so clean and healthy. Yeah, so make sure you clean it very well to avoid any sand and dirt. Okay. Now we are going to slice everything into tiny pieces. Make sure you don't cut your hand. I prefer not to peel the ginger. It's optional. If you want to peel it, you can peel it, since I'm still going to strain it. And make sure, because we are not peeling, you cut the bud and the top and bottom of the turmeric. Okay, yeah. And if you see any rotten parts, just take it off. Make sure you don't cut your fingers. So we are going to be peeling everything, the ginger, the turmeric and everything. So keep watching. So once you are done cutting all the ginger and turmeric, we are going to be adding our lemon. Okay, slice some piece of lemon. You can add the seed if you want, but the seed is going to make it very bitter. So just peel everything and add the lemon to the turmeric and ginger. If you have lime, you can also use lime. So now it's time to blend everything. Make sure you use clean water. I don't like tap water. Use bottled water, okay? The still one. And then I used 1.5 liters because we are making it for the whole week. We are making it for the whole week or even more. So make sure you use a lot of water because, yes. I added some cinnamon for taste. This is optional. If you don't like cinnamon or if you don't have cinnamon, this is not a must. Okay, This whole combo is another thing. This I forgot to shoot the part I was blending it, but then yeah, I finished blending it. So we are going to strain it. The turmeric can be very messy, so if you are straining it, don't do it like I did. I was making a very big mistake here. I had to change the jar for a bowl because it was really messy, and it stains. Yeah, it stains any part that this turmeric gets. It stains there. So make sure you are going to use your old bowls. Don't use clean bowls. Use clean bowls, but the old ones. That's what I mean. So we are transferring the whole combo into a glass jar for storage. And this is where the part, this is my favorite part. Okay, this is the part that will do the whole work. Like this part will ginger the whole combo for the weight loss to happen. You're going to lose 5 kilos in a week if you follow this instruction. Okay, if you have watched me till now, thumbs up to you, and I'm really grateful. So this is the whole secret. You're going to be adding apple cider vinegar to it, and make sure you have the one that is written the mother. This is the purest one. Okay, just add about 2 spoons, 2 big spoons to it. I didn't use a spoon. I'm using my head to measure. So use your head, or if you have a spoon, you can measure. This combo is going to help you to lose weight. You can also take it as a shot. Don't take it a lot. This glass I'm going to take is a lot. You can just find a shot glass and then take it every morning and evening. It's so bitter, very bitter, but it works. It works like magic. Follow it and come and thank me later. You're going to lose 5 kilos in a week. But make sure you do portion controls. If you can't go to the gym or if you can't exercise, just reduce your meal, and in the daytime be taking green tea as your water. You can take green tea also in the morning and in the evening, and you come and give me positive reviews. Thanks for watching. I love you all. Bye.